Finally snowed. We got about a ½ inch to an inch of snow. So we're gonna go out today and scrape off and salt all our parking lots. Just loading them now at the shop. We just salted this lot. As you see, it's kind of a little bit of ice underneath and just some snow. This will melt right down. You can already kind of see some spots starting to work, but we're gonna come back here in about an hour and see what's going on. But we use treated salt. It should melt real quick. I gotta do these walkways real quick with the shovel. Kind of working together today, doing walkways and salting both the parking lots. It's kind of the best way to do it. We'll just work together. This is probably going to melt later this afternoon. It's supposed to be like 36, but there is a good layer of ice underneath, so we're kind of hitting the parking lots a little heavy. And it's supposed to be another round of snow tonight, so if we hit them a little heavy now, we should be good for the night. But we'll probably go back out, you know, check on, obviously. So we're at one of the churches we do right now. Obviously, they're not open today, but this church is right down the street from one of our other commercial properties, so we're just kind of going down the line. So back at the shop, we just stopped, had breakfast, and we had everything pretty much done down to bare pavement, and I don't know what happened, but we just got a band of snow coming in right now that coated everything up, and they're saying we could probably get another 2 or 3 inches today. So again, the forecast 100% changed. They've been completely wrong this entire time, like always, but it wasn't even really supposed to snow today. So we literally had everything done, salted, bare pavement at every single one of our properties. And now we're going to be loading up. Got both trucks here, loading back up, and probably just going to let the snow come down. And at this point, I mean, there's not enough to fully plow, but I wouldn't be surprised in the next hour or so we have enough that we can actually drop the blades and scrape these parking lots off. So we're just going to hang out. We're going to load up, hang out, and just kind of kill some time for a little bit and go back out and see what's going on. This is supposed to end around noon, and then I guess there's another wave coming this afternoon into this evening. So who knows? We could have a couple inches by the end of the day. But either way, it is a Monday. It is a business day. We have to keep some of these places completely cleared up and open. So it's our job. Gonna load back up. So this is the first storm of the year. We've used the polycaster. I wasn't planning on even using it. We were just gonna probably take one truck, but it's a lot faster with 2 trucks running around. This morning we went out at about 5:30. Got to the first one at 6. By 7:30 we had all 7 of our properties salted. So a lot faster with 2 trucks, that's for sure. One more scoop and we're going to be both full again. This is technically our 3rd round of salt for this storm. We went out, which I didn't get any footage of. We went out on, God, I don't even know what day it is. Today's Monday. We went out Saturday night. It was raining all day, snowed a little bit, and froze up. That was round number 1. That was really late at night, and I didn't get any footage. Round 2 was kind of a little bit between last night and this morning. Like I said, we had everything bare pavement, as you probably saw in some of the footage. And now this is going to be round 3. That's the best feature of this polycaster, is this cover. Unlike that one, where you have to drag it over. I wish the Boss had a cover like this, but it is what it is. Boss, a little more manual labor.